Unraveling Idioms, Soaked to the Gills, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're exploring a particularly vivid expression, soaked to the gills. Whether you're a language learner trying to navigate the stormy seas of English idioms or just someone who loves to enrich their idiomatic vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means to be soaked to the gills. The phrase, soaked to the gills, is an idiom that paints a very wet picture, but what exactly does it mean? At its core, this expression is used to describe being extremely wet or drenched in water, often from rain or having fallen into water. The term, gills, while literally referring to the respiratory organs of fish, is used metaphorically here to emphasize the extent of being soaked, as if one were submerged underwater, similar to a fish. Diving into the origin, the phrase, soaked to the gills, leverages the imagery of fish and their gills, which are essential for their survival underwater, to exemplify saturation. The idiom plays on the idea that if even the gills, which are meant to be wet, are soaked, then one must be completely drenched. It's a colorful way to express the idea of being wet through and through. Understanding how to use an idiom in context can be just as important as knowing its meaning. Here are a few examples to get you started. After getting caught in the downpour, I was soaked to the gills and had to change my clothes immediately. The kids played in the sprinklers until they were soaked to the gills, laughing the whole time. You look like you've been soaked to the gills. What happened out there? These examples show that the phrase can be used in both literal and slightly hyperbolic contexts to convey just how wet someone or something is. Learning idioms like soaked to the gills can add color and depth to your language skills. Idioms often reflect cultural nuances and can make your conversation more vivid and engaging. While they may seem challenging at first, understanding and using idioms will greatly enhance your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this exploration of the idiom, soaked to the gills, has been enlightening and entertaining. Idioms are a fascinating aspect of the English language, offering insights into its cultural quirks and expressive richness. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is exposure and practice. So, don't be afraid to dive in and get your feet wet. Or should we say, get soaked to the gills? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.